Welcome everyone. In this video I will show you how you will deploy an instance or VM instance in GCP cloud, okay, Google Cloud Platform. So let's start. So simply I have log into my panel, and on that panel on the dashboard I just need to click on create instance. Okay, after clicking on create instance we have a bunch of options, like which operating system you want, which OS you want, which operating version you want, how many RAM, which instance you're looking for, blah blah blah, so many things. Okay, so the instance name is instance 1, so I will keep it as it is, and my region is US Central 1 low and US Central 1A. So because I will deploy this instance on my created VPC, so I will say keep it as it is. And in the general purpose machine family you have general purpose, compute optimized, memory optimized, GPU. So because we are doing just instance deployment, so I will go with E2, and my instance will be this E2 micro. Okay, now we good to go. Now in the boot disk I will select the operating system and which operating system I want. So basically operating system is Debian, so instead of Debian I want Ubuntu. In Ubuntu, which version of Ubuntu you want, so we have bunch of options. We also have Ubuntu 21.04, so I will go with 16.04, which is stable version. 21 also stable version, so I will just click on select, and rest of the thing I will keep it as it is. And but in the management I'll just click on networking. In the networking I will select my own VPC, so I just need to click over here, and from the network interface by default it's selecting the default one. So instead of default one I'll say use Hadoop security VPC. So in the Hadoop security VPC my subnetwork is US Central 1, and primary I will also keep everything as it is. And now I will click on create instance. Okay, after that next part, okay, next I will show you how to connect to this particular instance. Okay, so once the instance is ready, so we will see how to connect to this. So right now without a key we will able to do the SSH, so we will able to connect to that instance. But if you want to connect from the outside the world or from the Putty, so we need to create an SSH keygen using Putty. Okay, so that I will also show you. So what it's telling, connection via could not identify, aware proxy fail. Okay, so I will just close, and again I will say SSH. Again we will try. If it's not work, so definitely we have to make some changes over VPC and in our firewall rules. So meanwhile this is the last time we are checking if it's not connect. Okay, it's connect, perfect. And if I try to increase the size, control shift plus plus, so there is no. Okay, if I go to the setting and go to fonts, or okay, don't worry. Okay, so by the way we are connected, so if I type lsb underscore release and -a, so it will tell the version. So our version is Ubuntu. Okay, and the version release is 16.04. Okay, now what we will do, we will try to connect with Putty. So how you will use Putty to create this step. So the steps I will show you, and I'll just minimize that, and I have my Putty gen, so I'll click on Putty gen. And after clicking on Putty gen I just need to go to the generate, and randomly I just need to move the mouse. So when I move the mouse, so it will create that file. Okay, a public RSA file. Okay, so just do it. And now what I need to do is I just need to copy complete path. Okay, or before completing that, in the key comment you need to write like what is like Ubuntu, whatever the your username. So I will type Imran Chaush. Okay, Imran Chaush I will type. Now I will copy that. you need to copy after writing the key comment, because it will reflect over here at the end of the line. So I'll just copy that, and what I will do after copying, I will copy the file content. So I will just copy, and I'll just go to my Sublime text and paste that. So I just need to click new, and I will save this file as a key. Okay, key, and save that and paste the content and click on save. Okay, so this is our key. So what I just need to do is just copy that, or it's already copied, so I'll just copy and go to my instance and click on instance and go to the edit. So this you can do it from the GCP console, GCP web UI, and just look at the SSH, scroll, and once you reach the you have 0 SSH. So from this you need to edit that. So you just need to enter public SSH key. So what's the Putty is saying, public key for parsing into open SSH authorization key file. So this is public key, so we just need to copy and paste this. If Imran Chaush is reflected over here, so that thing it's everything is perfect. Now I will click on save, so it able to save, and I will minimize that. And what I need to do is I need to save a private key. So I will also save private key and without passwords, yes. And I will give name in the download I have, so I will give name Imran Chaush. Okay, Imran Chaush, and I will save that, and I will also close this screen. And now I will open the Putty, and in the Putty I just write my session name is Imran Chaush, Imran Chaush, and I will because I'm using the internal network, so if I go with a private IP, so that will also work. If you are not using the internal network, so you just need to use the public IP. So if I use public or private, it doesn't matter for me because I'm using the internal. So for your better understanding, I will use public IP and minimize it, and in the Imran Chaush I will paste that, and in appearance I will also change the font, so bold 16. Okay, and in the data, because we are using Ubuntu, so I will write Ubuntu, and from the SSH auth I will browse and select my that particular key, open, and again I will go over here in the session, I will save that session and click on open. So if everything is okay, so this we will move to this screen. Now we have to accept that no supported authentication methods available, server okay, okay, username is Ubuntu. I have did it wrong. So in the Imran Chaush, what I need to do, load, and instead in the data, instead of Ubuntu I have to write Imran Chaush. Okay, so this is mistake, Imran Chaush. So it will be honor right now, it will honor. So go to session again and again save and click on open. So with the name of Imran Chaush instance, we will able to connect. If you like this video and if you think it is helpful, so please make sure to subscribe to my channel and like my video, and if you have any queries, so you can comment. Okay, thanks for watching.